Treplev is raw, and I like him for his rawness. His hysteria and resistance drives me to contemplate the lines of fate, upbringing, and social classes that separates us all. Drives me to the ultimate questions about how the social norms shaped us.
Look at those so-called classics. Stiff formulas. Stale patterns. On the stage, it was always the same old three things. Love, jealousy, and family dispute. Monotonous. The audience sits in the dark watching those false passions, false tears. Do they think they're seeing lives? No! What they see is just a fake. Mannequins in a shop window. I need new form. I need new forms. If we can't find new forms to express our new souls, then it's better to have nothing. Worse than nothing.